Hi guys, welcome back to Barrovian Made. Now I forgot to record an intro for this video, but so here it is. But the bar is finally done. After so much stress, after so much hassle, it's done. So let's get into the video. Let's get this bar finished. Let's get it over and done with. I'm going insane. So I ran out. I got 2 more pallets. It seems like this thing's taken up so many pallets. I think we're at number 8 or 10 or something like that. This thing's made out of. But we went and we cut them all down to size, and this is going to be my solution to the whole felt thing. I'm just not going to use felt. I decided I'm going to clad the inside with pallet wood. I think it'll look really nice. At this point, I was thinking it'd look a bit like, because I have a pallet wood wall in my bedroom, so I was thinking it might look a bit like that. But I think it looked a lot better and it contrasted really well with the LEDs. But we just did another batch cutting, and I can't tell you how much I dislike batch cutting after this project. You just get filled with sawdust in your lungs, you make a right mess, and yeah, it's not my most favourite thing to do. It's an easy thing to do to make sure you get everything the right size, but yeah. And here I remembered I forgot to square up all the ends. Only one side of these are all square, so I decided to come back and quickly take a very shallow cut on all of them. And running back over to the whole felt idea, I don't think it was a stupid idea. I think I just had a stupid way of going about it. But someone did mention in the comments that felt wouldn't be the best idea because there's going to be a bar. Drinks are going to get spilled on it, and it'll get sticky, horrible, and it'll be hard to clean. So that's why I decided to go with the wood. And you see there, I made a nice little jig so I could do all this sanding and not have to worry about it sliding all over the place. And then after I got them all sanded, I did 1 coat of just hard wax oil. I only did one side though, because I do plan to use an adhesive like no nails to stick the majority of these boards on. I will be using nails in some areas, but in the main areas where you're going to be looking at it, I just wanted to use no nails because I don't want to see any nail heads, and I wanted it to look as seamless and nice as possible without seeing a bunch of nails and stuff. So hopefully it stands the test of time. I've got a pallet wood wall in my room, and I use no nails to adhere all of them on, and not a single one's fallen off yet. So fingers crossed it's the same situation with this bar. And also, I recorded this little segment because I thought it'd be a good idea to, whenever you have an oily rag, go over your chisels and stuff just to give them a nice coat of oil. But after that hard wax hardened, it was horrible to use. It was dead slimy and horrible, and yeah, so I wouldn't do that unless you're using like a mineral oil or something like that to do your projects with, because hard wax oil, it leaves a horrible coating on it. But now we got all the inside finally done and out the way, because that was a massive headache. I'm going to go around and put these threaded inserts in. So I'm just going around drilling all the holes for them, making the holes slightly undersized because threaded inserts have a very slight taper to them. So I want it to be a nice tight fit so the threaded inserts don't pull themselves out. And that's always the best way I've always found to do it, where you don't have to use super glue or anything to keep the threaded inserts in. And now that we have the actual bar finished, I'm going to go around and start adding all the accessories. This is a little beer bottle opener that I just got off Amazon. I think it was only like a fiver or something like that, but it adds a little something extra to it. And then I got these wine rack holders, which I do like the idea of, but these ones that I bought, they're, they move around and stuff. They're a bit tacky, and I don't know. Probably should have found a better way to attach them, but that's what they're like for now. But here is the finished product. I think it came out absolutely stunning, especially after putting the LEDs on. Makes it look a bit like a spaceship at night. I love it. And I really like these big oak, uh, I won't call them slabs, but big oak slabs on top of the tabletop. I really like how they look. I'm glad I managed to try and save that tabletop instead of just scrapping it again, because I really do like how it's not a bunch of boards put together and it just looks like one big board, and I love it. It's great. The wine rack, uh, I think, adds a little something to it, and the LEDs is my favorite part, and the way it all reflects off the wood, it's brilliant. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm sorry it's not as long as my normal videos, but I just wanted to get this one out of the way. But I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. I think it was really worth all the struggle and, going insane. But want to see better projects? Hang around, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.